In this video, let us learn Theorem 1.1 from Class 10 CBSE Mathematics. Let us learn Euclid's division lemma. It states that given positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r satisfying a equal to bq plus r, where 0 is less than or equal to r less than b. Let us understand the statement with the help of examples. First example, 17 and 6. 6 goes into 17 twice and leaves the remainder 5 in the first example. 6 2s are 12 plus 5 is 17. We'll move on to the second example, 5 and 12. 5 is equal to 12 times 0 plus 5. Here this relation holds since 12 is greater than 5. We'll move on to the third example, 20 and 4. Here 4 goes into 20 5 times and leaves the remainder 0. If you observe all the three cases, we have taken two positive integers a and b. There exist unique integers q and r. That is, each pair of positive integers a and b, we found whole numbers q and r satisfying the relation a equal to bq plus r, where 0 is less than or equal to r less than b. Let us take one more example, 10 and 3. When we divide 10 by 3, 3 3s are 9 and remainder 1. So 10 can be obtained by multiplying 3 times and adding remainder 1. So a and b we have taken into q plus r. When you consider a and b as two positive integers, their existing q and r uniquely. Certain condition for the remainder. This remainder may be equal to 0 or it is greater than 0, but it should be less than the divisor. So 0 is less than or equal to our remainder, which is less than the divisor 3. Let us move on to another example, 4 and 19. 4, 19. When you divide, 4 can be written as 19 times 0 plus 4. Any number multiplied by 0 will give you 0 plus the remainder 4. This is also just like a is equal to bq plus r. Third example, 81, 3. Here 81 can be obtained by multiplying 3 with 27 times and leaving the remainder 0. You have realized that this is nothing but restatement of long division process you have done these years. So here q is nothing but the quotient, r is the remainder. This is the quotient and this is the remainder. A is the dividend, b is divisor. So given two positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r satisfying a equal to bq plus r, where our remainder should be equal to 0 or more than 0, but it should be less than the divisor. Hope you understand. Thank you.